The Bank of Canada has lowered its key lending rate by a quarter point, bringing the policy rate down to 2.5%. The move is aimed at easing pressure on households as the economy slows. Reagan Hasegawa joins us now from Surrey with details on this. Good morning, Reagan. The Bank of Canada is citing slower growth and mounting trade pressures.
Good morning, Carrie. That's right. And mortgage brokers across BC are celebrating this announcement today, saying it's much needed, especially as people struggle with a high cost of living here in BC. But they say even more cuts are needed in the future. So according to the Canadian Mortgage Brokers Association of BC, variable rate borrowers will see immediate relief. For every $100,000 owed, today's cut reduces payments by about $13 a month. That's welcome news for households struggling with debt, but it won't move fixed rates, meaning those approaching renewal still need to weigh their options carefully. Experts recommend speaking with a mortgage professional before locking in, and note that variable rates could make sense right now since more cuts are expected this fall. The rate cut could re-energize Metro Vancouver's sluggish housing market, giving sideline buyers more breathing room to qualify and potentially sparking fresh activity.
We are encouraged by the news. Absolutely. It is a step in the right direction. We want to see more cuts because consumer confidence is quite low. The unemployment rate is at a historical high, and risks of further inflation are now coming down. So this is an expected cut. It's a step in the right direction. It's promising. However, we're calling for more.
Well, Reagan, so bottom line, a lot of people have mortgages or lines of credit. They have money borrowed. What should homeowners keep in mind?
Well, people that have variable rates are going to feel the impact of this decision the most, but this may just be the start, and that's because the next decision from the Bank of Canada is expected at the end of October, and mortgage brokers predict there's going to be possibly 2 more rate cuts to come by the end of the year.